This is the newly released Redmi Note 15 Pro, along with the new Redmi Little King Kong. When I first got this phone, I thought, buddy, let's make an unboxing video to show everyone.
The back panel material actually uses ultra tough fiberglass. Fiberglass Note series is this reasonable. Look at the camera module. Here it has a crater-like protrusion, see? Extending directly from the back panel with a rear triple camera and an added flash. The key point is this back panel. It is also a 4-curved surface.
The side is a right angle middle frame. Although it's plastic, it actually feels quite nice.
Next, here's the highlight. We light up the screen, and the Note 15 Pro Plus uses a full-depth micro 4-curved surface. You see, it's still a big arc.
Look at the bezel width again. Visually, the four sides are equally displayed without any issues.
The key point is, as a Xiaomi family full-depth micro quad curved screen, when I look at the forehead and chin, hey, you can't see that greenish edge. You know what I mean? Let me reveal a few more parameters and you'll find it even more outrageous.
Refresh rate of 120, 6.831 inches, 1.5K, this screen has professional true color and a peak brightness of 3200 nits. Note that it also starts from the large edge, not a single point.
Xiaomi's Qingshan Eye Protection is of course not absent.
In a word, this screen would be fine on a flagship, and it also has Xiaomi Dragon Crystal Glass. So Dragon Crystal Glass, hey, plus fiberglass. Well, a few days ago, we conducted various waterproof and drop tests on it in the video. In unexpected situations, this Note 15 Pro Plus indeed has no issues. Next, it features the 4th generation Snapdragon 7S, a 7000 mAh battery, 90 watt wired fast charging, and 22.5 watt reverse wired fast charging. Yes, you can use it to fast charge your iPhone.
22.5 watts.
But I think compared to the following 3 points, the previous ones are not highlights.
First point, everyone pay attention. We adjust the volume. See, there's a 400% here. So this phone's volume can go up to 400%. It has a dual 115 symmetrical dual speakers. And when adjusted to 400, we've seen similar features on other phones too. Redmi means that even at 400, the sound quality doesn't really suffer.
It's down. The second highlight is its flashlight, which has an extremely high brightness, significantly improved compared to the previous generation. Elders using this phone no longer need to carry a separate flashlight when going out.
The third highlight, let's focus on elder care. They have introduced a separate mode. First, look, this font can be adjusted to 200%. This icon can be enlarged significantly, and this ringtone can be turned up to 400%.
Further down, it has various core blocking and risk application blocking features.
Brothers, can you see these words clearly? Is the sound loud enough?
Let me briefly mention the other configurations without going into detail, because Redmi is still the same Redmi, giving everything it should, and even what it shouldn't. Finally, to sum up, I think this generation of Note can be called the quality Note. When I say quality, I don't just mean waterproof and drop-resistant features. More importantly, it offers a very high front appearance on a Note phone, and the quality of this front screen is quite okay, which is very rare for a mid-range phone.